Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Speak Language Learning App Honest Review. So Speak, which operates through their website speak.com, is a language learning app designed with a strong focus on helping people actually speak a new language rather than just memorize words or grammar rules. Now, the platform here centers around AI-powered conversations, where you practice speaking out loud and receive instant feedback on pronunciation, sentence structure, and responses instead of tapping answers or filling in blanks. Now, the app pushes you into simulated real life conversations, which is what sets it apart from many traditional language apps. Now, looking at how it's actually perceived online, well, there are no major warning signs suggesting Speak is unsafe or deceptive. Now, it's widely distributed app available throughout official app stores, which is something that is good. With a large number of downloads and an active user base, that alone confirms it's real functioning language app learning platform rather than a short-lived or questionable service. Now, user feedback paints a fairly consistent picture here. Now, according to reviews and discussions online here, like platforms on Reddit or even discussions on reviews or review sections on the Google Play Store here, well, basically, based on what we're seeing, many people here say Speak is generally helpful for building confidence in speaking and improving pronunciation, especially for beginners and intermediate learners. Now, the AI feedback is often described as useful and motivating because it encourages speaking without the pressure of talking to a real person. At the same time, some views here point out limitations. A common theme is pricing, with people noting that most meaningful content is blocked behind paid subscription, and that the free version is quite limited. Others mention that while Speak is strong for conversation practices, it doesn't go as deep into grammar explanations or structured coursework as some other traditional language programs. Now, from a value perspective here, Speak seems to be best suited for people whose main goal is to practice speaking and listening in a natural way. If someone is looking for a full textbook style language course with detailed grammar breakdowns and extensive reading exercises, Speak may feel incomplete on its own, but as a tool, though, well, for conversation practices, especially for overcoming the fear of speaking, it fills a gap that many other apps doesn't address as directly. Now, if you're going to take everything together or everything that we just saw here into account, Speak appears to be a legitimate and well-established language learning app. Now, it does what it claims in terms of providing AI-driven speaking practice, and the feedback shows real people are using it and benefiting from it, even if there are valid criticism around pricing and content depth. Now, out of everything that we found here, or we could basically assume here that the product or the app itself is pretty much legit, and that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.